of Biology here at Vedanta. Guys, welcome to my session. And I know that this is like a last moment when you are actually struggling to cover all the syllabus. You are trying to grab knowledge from all possible directions in every possible way so that you score full marks or you score the best marks that you can, right? So here I am presenting to you this session, that is last month strategy for term 1 examination with respect to biology. Okay, so if you're excited, hit on the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to post me your guys. Okay, so chalo, let's get started. So guys, when we talk about last month, okay, that is the entire month of November, how are you going to plan for it? So guys, when we talk about a month has probably 4 weeks, okay, which also includes your Diwali week. Ensure that you are preparing in this week as well. So guys, we have 4 weeks. So in the first week, you practice nutrition. In the second week, you practice respiration. In the third week, you practice transportation. And in the fourth week, you practice excretion. So in this way, our entire chapter, that is life processes, is being taken well care of. Okay, so it is not just for biology, it's for every subject, that you divide the syllabus into equal parts and then you dedicate each week for each topic, and then in a week you can actually utilize 7 days either for studying one subject each day and then 7th day for relaxation, or it can be like you are picking up small topics from each subject every day so that you are not saturated कि भाई मैंने बहुत बायो पढ़ लिया. This kind of feeling won't bother you. Okay, so probably I will say कि I'll go with the plan B. You know why? Because biology has only one chapter. So if I dedicate one entire week and complete this entire chapter, okay, then there is a 3-week gap, and in those 3 weeks I can actually tend to forget stuffs. So I don't want to take that risk. So every week I'll be touching some or the other topic from biology. Okay, so what should be your approach? Your approach should be a 7-day strategy. Okay, so like 4 weeks we will be focusing on week 1. Maybe let's take nutrition as a topic. So read the topic. So there are 2 topics primarily: nutrition in plants and nutrition in human beings. So segregate them. Okay, and then once you read it, please, NCERT textbook, it's your Gita, Bible, Quran, guys. Okay, I swear by it that there will be nothing outside of your textbook. So guys, read the textbook thoroughly. Every little word, every little tiny box that is there in your textbook, everything is important. Do not skip anything. We have only one chapter, guys. Focus on it. So read the textbook properly. Okay. Second, once you have read the textbook, create flow charts or mind maps. And if you're already having them, go through it and try to redraw it in your own way to depict your own level of understanding. Okay. So it means this I have read and this is what I have understood. Why I'm asking to write? Because this time it's completely objective. So why are you making us write, man? Beta, it is when we write, we are registering it over here. Yes, this is what I read, this is what I know, and yes, I know it, and that's the reason why I was able to write it down. This boosts up your confidence. In examination, at times when there is a concept which doesn't click at that moment, and when you wait for a moment, you sip water, or maybe I usually carry glucose water with me. So when I sit calmly and I try to recollect, the image of my notebook paper flashes in front of my eyes, and yeah, I get the answer. So if this strategy works for me, I am pretty sure this will definitely work for you as well. So I strongly emphasize कि make your own notes, maybe in the form of flow charts or mind maps or running notes, anything the way you prefer, but ensure that you prepare it. Now once you have prepared this, fill your room with those notes, with those mind maps. Create that kind of mahal in your own room. Ki when you turn around, you find something. When you look here, you find something. And all those images, all those flowcharts, all those mind maps, all those diagrams, they remind you, ki dude, this is there. This is your target. This is it. Are you knowing it? Yes? Wow. If you're not knowing it, dude, read it, right? So yes, it's a nice way. It always work for me. Okay? Sure. Now day 2. Once day 1 is done, day 2 brings you to a point where you realize in day 1, these were my areas of strength. But this is the topic which I don't understand. Like nutrition in mouth, stomach, everything is sorted, but process of digestion is small intestine. I need to like think on it a lot. So find out the points, find out the areas, find out the topics wherein you have doubts. Not just for biology, it's applicable for every subject. Make a note of it and then watch our previous videos. For biology, you can watch my videos. For social sciences, you can watch Chintu sir's video, and likewise Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel has got physics, chemistry, bio, English, maths, SS. You can watch any of these videos and clear off your respective doubts. Like for example, you have doubt related to nutrition in plants. Search for nutrition in plants by Maria Ma'am, Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel. You will get it, and I'm pretty sure you will understand every bit of it. So watch previous videos wherever you find that there is no conceptual clarity. Okay? And these videos will definitely help you even to download the notes in the form of PDF if you want. Okay? So double bonus. Then day 3. Now that your concept is clear, you have your own set of understanding. So the next point comes in practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Your term 1 examination is going to be completely objective. So try to solve as many objectives as you can. Okay? Now these MCQs can be your regular general MCQs. They can be some diagram based MCQs. They can be definition based MCQs. They can be identifying the function MCQs, or they can be identify the part, any such kind of MCQs. Okay? Try to solve as many varieties as you can. Okay? On the other hand, assertion and reasoning question. Now this category haunts you a lot. I know. Nothing to fear when Maria Khan is here. Why I tell you? CBSE sample paper, when it was released this academic year, there were only 3 assertion and reasoning out of 60 questions. Condition was to attempt 50 questions. Even if you skip these 3 assertion and reasoning, one from chemistry, physics and bio each, okay, still you are in a position to solve 57 questions. And that's pretty good state. So guys, I assume that CBSE will stick to this pattern, and assertion and reasoning can be like aram se tackled by you all. Don't create a monster out of it, but at the same time be prepared. Okay, don't take it lightly, leniently. Ensure that you are practicing it. If you're able to crack it, wow, awesome. If you're unable to crack it, you still have a choice. So practice assertion and reasoning based questions as many as you can. Okay. Then this brings me to day 4. Day 4 comes to the third category of your question paper, that is case based MCQs. Now case based MCQs, they have a case, they have questions related to the case, not from the passage. It's not like English, find out the answers from the given passage. No, the questions are related to the passage. If you are thorough with the textual concepts, you will be able to crack these questions very easily. Okay? So solve case-based MCQs. So there are so many materials now available for case-based MCQs as well. Okay? And then practice mock tests, as many as you can. Now this is a challenge, right? So guys, join Vedantu. I'll recommend you join Vedantu's crash course for term 1. Here, in term 1 crash course, we not only teach you all the chapters in a crash way, at the same time we give you revision of the same chapters, And besides that, we give you several mock tests to attempt. Besides that, in our sessions, okay, we will be actually solving those mock tests, like discussing those mock tests. Why this question is correct, why this question is incorrect. So this gives you a detailed insight, right? So which platform is going to take so much of efforts, guys? Vedantu is the best. Trust me, enroll with us now for term 1 crash course. Okay? Yeah. And uh, school conducts several examinations. Like till this point of time, you must have appeared for first unit test and mock semester examination, right? Pick up those papers. Call up your friends if they are from other school. Take sample papers from them as well. And then attempt those question papers. Okay? See, when a board conducts an examination, all those question papers are set by different teachers who are working for different schools probably, right? So, when you have friends from different schools, you have a good pool, grab the question papers, solve them. Most importantly, ensure that you are thorough with the CBSE sample paper which was released this year. At the same time, I will also recommend you to go through the sample papers which were released previous years or maybe before that. Okay, last year it was a blend of both. Unfortunately, the examinations were not conducted, but yes, you can have a look so as to understand which topics they are picking up to ask you questions. Okay, so you understand ki, okay, from this segment this kind of question can be asked, right? So you get to know ki which concepts are important and which concepts are not so important. So solve CBSE sample papers as much as you can. Okay, and then day 7, you take rest, you relax. Now that you have had enough, not just for biology, but I'm pretty sure for every subject, you sit, you relax, you take your leisure time, you recollect which all things you were able to execute, which all things you were not able to execute, so that if something was left, this 7th day can be used as a buffer session or a buffer time or a buffer day, wherein you can actually cover up your lagging topic or lagging concepts. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it from my side related to tips and tricks. Now coming to Vedantu's term 1 crash course. See, I told you n number of benefits if you enroll with us. Okay, 1, we cover all the 6 subjects in a crash way: physics, chem, bio, English, maths, SS. It is not just conduction of the chapters in a crash way, at the same time there is revision. Then there are mock tests and assignments which we will be assigning you to complete so that we ensure that you are practicing well. Thirdly, doubts. Guys, during this session your doubts are being tackled by the class teachers, and then outside the class you can also avail the facility of getting your doubts resolved on a mobile app. Okay, we have a different subscription for that as well if you need it. Okay, then you get detailed report analysis, where you went correct, which areas you are lagging behind, where you need to work upon. Okay, then 5th, you can avail several micro courses absolutely free of cost. For example, you enrolled in a term 1 crash course where life processes was taught to you in a fast and crisp manner in maybe 2 or 3 sessions. But if you want to study the same chapter at a slower pace, there are several micro courses कि आराम से पढ़ो life processes. Not just that, for any subject it is applicable. Okay, then you get an opportunity to solve some amazing MCQs, quizzes in every session of ours, 8 to 10 at least. Okay, and you get an opportunity to compete with students across the globe. So what else do you need? What else do you need, right? So yeah, it's like a one-stop solution for all your requirements. So grab the deal now. Okay, and how do you enroll with us? Let me tell you. Okay, so students who are new to our platform, I'll recommend you to don't go anywhere. Okay, stay with me. So yeah, just a sec. Let me open up. Yeah, okay. YouTube. Yeah, ठीक है, here I am. Okay, so when we go to YouTube, so search for Maria Khan video. Okay, so Maria Khan, I'll just go on Sprint X. So here, this is one of my sessions, right? Now again, like, you can go to the current sessions description box. I am showing you this video. So let me minimize myself a bit. So when we scroll it further down, okay, we see a description box. Click on the description box. Okay, you get to see multiple links. So here is one such link, that is CBSE term 1 crash. Click on the link, it diverts you to this particular page. So this is grade 10 CBSE 2021, and there are two courses to offer, two plans, Pro, Lite and Classic. So all the basic features like live classes, test analysis, assignments, notes, doubt solving, everything is available with the Pro Lite subscription at 2,700 only. Okay, so with my coupon code, okay, you are getting it at a very low price. And then if you need a doubt solving app, you go for the Pro Classic one. Again, with my coupon code, you save additional 10%, and the same subscription is offered to you at 3,150. I'll give you a few more reasons why you should opt for Vedantu. Okay, see, this is my dashboard. Similarly, you will get to see your own dashboard as well. So yep guys, when I click on my sessions, when I click on past sessions, you get to see this. Okay, so when I click on get notes, I get an opportunity, I get an option to download the session notes just a single click away at my fingertips. Okay, so see, here it is, the entire PDF, okay, for you. So see, 102 pages, all the questions. This is like NTSE series ka wave book. Okay, and then if you want to watch the recap, you can watch it n number of times, and even while watching replays, they are interactive replays. You get an option to play quizzes even while you're watching replay. You get to see your name flashing on the leaderboard even when you're watching the leaderboard. I mean, even when you're watching a replay. So और क्या चाहिए? Like, see, when I click on replay, the entire video gets played. Okay, so this was the session which I had recently conducted. And see, this is super amazing, isn't it? Yep. So yes guys, enroll with us and ensure that you are applying my coupon code. Okay, and what's my coupon code guys? It's Mac Pro. Where can you find the link? As I told you, the link is given up in the description box. It has also been pinned in the comment section. So grab the deal now, and if you found the session to be useful, like, share, subscribe, post me a yo. And this is my mail ID, that is mariakhan@vedantu.com. And if you enjoyed the session, do let me know your concerns in the comment section. And that's it for the day. So let's meet up in the next session. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Mullah Hafiz, and keep watching Vedantu. Bye bye.